In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the Outlook navigation menu bar from the left side to the bottom. If you're using the classic version of Microsoft Outlook on your desktop, you might be accustomed to the older layout and feel of the application. But what if the navigation menu doesn't quite sit right visually or functionally on the left side? Don't worry, there's a simple way to shift it back to the bottom of your screen where you might find it more comfortable. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring we catch every detail along the way. First, you want to head over to the File tab, which you can find in the top left corner of the Outlook window. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options to manage your Outlook settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it is also handy for other customizations you may be interested in down the line. Next, scroll down to the bottom of this menu and click on Options. This will direct you to the Outlook Options pop-up window. This window holds a treasure trove of settings that allow you to fine-tune your Outlook experience to best suit your needs. Once the Options window is open, you'll want to look for the Advanced section in the list on the left-hand side. Click on Advanced to proceed. Here in the Advanced section, you'll see a variety of settings that you can modify, but for now, focus your attention on a specific feature that controls the navigation menu's position. You're looking for the option labeled Show App. Show Apps in Outlook. This is currently checked, which indicates that the navigation menu is set to display on the left side of the screen. To move it to the bottom, all you need to do is uncheck this box. So go ahead and click to uncheck Show Apps in Outlook. Once you've made this change, you'll want to click on the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your new settings. Doing this will ensure that your preferences are updated and ready to take effect. However, for these changes to be visible, you'll need to restart your Outlook application. Simply close out of Outlook completely and then reopen it. Upon reopening, you'll notice the change right away. Return to your main Outlook view, and there you have it. The navigation menu is now situated along the bottom. With these few steps, you can enjoy a more familiar and perhaps more functional Outlook setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.